This is the Morning Breach with Scott Davis. Schools have begun to reopen across the country, and school administrators have to rely very heavily on technology to deliver the planned learning methods due to COVID-19. To make things even more confusing, it seems no two plans are similar, and in many cases, even within the same district, not two schools are using the same suite of applications. This not only challenges the existing IT staff and the vendors of those schools, but teachers, students, and even parents may not be prepared for the challenge. Sure, parents received an email or snail mail letter outlining the apps and what they will be used for. And most districts are even providing devices for all of the students to continue learning at home. So it should be pretty simple. Well, the challenges to the existing IT staff include knowing that a lot of personal identifiable information, or PII, is going to be stored within these apps, and those apps, are adding up quickly. With how quickly schools were forced to ramp up online learning in the spring, really, even today, how vetted are these solutions on a security side? We have seen numerous online platforms announce breaches from around the globe that are geared just towards education. So it is critical for the IT staff to ensure they have a list of what apps each teacher is using, and it should be documented as well as noted its security position and what data is being stored in the cloud. Now, IT staff should already be doing this, and if they haven't started, they're behind the curve. Teachers who already have a great amount of work on their shoulders now also have to figure out these platforms and the tricks students will utilize to try to skirt the system. For example, the kid that renamed himself Reconnecting on Zoom, so it appeared he had internet issues for the entire class. To the teachers and IT staff out there, supporting students is hard. If you have any questions on cybersecurity, please ask. I'm more than happy to help, give you some direction, or anything that I can do to help you, I will. Now, for the students and parents, especially those students in elementary school, where all of this technology is new, and after years and years of limiting screen time, now you're asked to have your children sit at a screen and follow along from home. It's not just the screen time, but now how many online accounts or apps does your child have? Or even what internet filtering software is deployed on that device to limit where your child can or cannot browse. Remember, kids are crafty, and they will surprise you with their workarounds to these barriers, and they talk to each other, so those workarounds spread like rapid fire. The one piece I also see missing from a lot of the plans districts are deploying that I've read is the lack of basic cybersecurity training. This opens the door to possible phishing, data breaches, and cyber attacks. So it's no longer the dog ate my homework, but my homework is now encrypted by ransomware. It's critical to talk to your children about email, or even in-app communication, and only opening messages from addresses they know, and schools should include a tip sheet on what to look for. Remember, cyber attackers are crafty, and it only takes someone uploading a photo of an email and the template is out. Students are going to make mistakes. They are children after all. It is our job as parents to ensure we've taught them the essentials, to make smart decisions, and that includes when handling emails, in-app communication, Zoom or Teams meeting requests, text messages, and even phone calls, which is considered vishing. Password management is also crucial. I constantly tell clients not to use Excel to save their passwords, as it's just not good sense. For children, I recommend that you have a paper password binder, the younger ones anyways. And it starts with their first password and account. And they need to update the password in the book anytime it's updated online, or anytime they create a new account, it gets added to the book. And as a parent, you must have access to that binder at any time. When they are older, it should transition to a password management app. And the password for that should be provided to the parents. Just the same. Or if it's your personal password management or it's an even older child, the app should have that or you should have that password in a safe space or a safety deposit box, somewhere secure, along with your computer password if the unfortunate occurs and someone in your family needs to gain access to it. The basis is that this is a learning opportunity for our children, or even an organization's staff that is now working from home. It's time to take cybersecurity and password management seriously. After all, how many of you watching have a MySpace account that you never deleted, but just simply stopped visiting? If you learned something new by watching this, please take a few seconds, like, comment, and share the video. If you want to see more episodes of The Morning Breach or find useful resources in helping you secure your organization or home, please visit themorningbreach.com. Thanks for watching.